Here we are on the 29th floor. Yep, definitely the 29th floor. That is actually floor 11 of the Hyatt, but you know, we're on 29th. Yep, I mean, God works in mysterious ways. Yeah, definitely 29 floors up. 100%. No way they're lying to us. Singapore button. Yep, 29 floors. That's what they're telling us, so it's true. Really, these are Westy, but $24, $23. That. Yeah, we definitely just went 29 floors. Yep, back up to what is definitely floor 29, not floor 10. Nope. We passed through the express zone in like half a millisecond. Yep, makes sense.
Floor 29.
Floor 29. Yep, definitely 29. They wouldn't be lying to us. No, big corporations never lie. Anyway, that's it. Bye.